When considering Omega Church for your church management software, there are a few important things you need to know before making your decision. If you're looking for a platform that stands out from the competition, keep watching. Let's dive into the key factors you should consider when comparing Omega Church to other options like Planning Center, Breeze, and ChurchTrack. Next thing to consider is the user interface. Omega Church boasts a clean and intuitive design, making it easy for your team to get started. While some competitors, like Planning Center, may feel more complex or cluttered, Omega Church keeps things streamlined, reducing the learning curve. However, if you're looking for a super customizable interface, you might find that Omega Church offers less flexibility than some competitors. The third thing to look at is pricing. Omega Church offers a fairly competitive pricing model that works well for most churches. However, while it may seem affordable on the surface, its pricing structure doesn't scale as easily as some other platforms. Competitors like Breeze are often more transparent with pricing and offer a clear breakdown for each tier. Next thing to consider is the features it offers. Omega Church includes essential features like event scheduling, membership management, and financial tracking. It's a solid package for smaller to mid-sized churches. However, larger churches might feel limited by the advanced features offered by competitors like ChurchTrack, which includes more in-depth reporting and analytics. The fifth thing to know is mobile app functionality. Omega Church does offer a mobile app, but it's not as polished as some other solutions. For example, Planning Center's app is known for being more feature-rich and easier to use for volunteers and church members alike. If your church relies heavily on mobile accessibility, you might want to look elsewhere. The next point is customer support. Omega Church offers decent support, but it doesn't compare to some competitors that have dedicated teams available 24/7. For example, Breeze's customer service is praised for its quick response times and knowledgeable support staff. If you need constant access to support, this might be something to keep in mind. The seventh thing is the ability to integrate with other software. Omega Church allows basic integrations with accounting and email tools, but it doesn't have as many third-party integrations as platforms like Planning Center. If your church uses a lot of external tools, you might need to consider if this limited integration will be a roadblock. Next thing is church giving. Omega Church offers a giving platform, but its features aren't as robust as other solutions like Breeze, which has an excellent giving module with recurring donation options and customizable donation forms. If online giving is a major focus for your church, Omega Church might not provide the same level of functionality as some competitors. The ninth thing to note is security. Omega Church offers basic security features, such as data encryption, but if your church handles sensitive information, you may want a platform with more advanced security features. ChurchTrack, for instance, provides more granular control over data access and security settings. The 10th thing to consider is scalability. If your church is growing, you'll want software that can grow with you. Omega Church is designed with smaller to mid-sized churches in mind. While it works well for churches that aren't massive, if you plan to scale rapidly, platforms like Planning Center or Breeze might offer more options for customization as your needs evolve. The 11th point is reporting and analytics. Omega Church offers basic reporting, but when compared to competitors, it doesn't provide the depth of insight offered by ChurchTrack or Planning Center. If you need advanced data analysis to make informed decisions, you may find Omega Church lacking in this area. Lastly, while Omega Church is a great option for smaller churches looking for an easy-to-use, budget-friendly solution, it's important to know that it doesn't stand out when it comes to advanced features. If you're looking for something with a broader range of functionalities and deeper integrations, you may want to look into our recommended solution. You can try it for free and see if it fits your needs better. Omega Church is a solid choice for many, but with some limitations in scalability, integrations, and advanced features, it may not be the best option for every church. If you're still unsure, make sure to check out the alternatives we recommend and see what works best for your church's unique needs.